All right. Hello, students. I hope you are doing great. Previously, we have learned the structure of the heart and we were discussing transportation in humans. So, I will not go into the details of that. That is already recorded. So, see that lecture in which I have discussed that uh, how the heart is, what is the basically the structure of the heart, the four chambers, and how which oxygenated blood, deoxygenated blood comes to which chambers. Okay, today we'll be learning about the working, the details of the working, that how the heart actually works, how it is able to move the blood around the body, and which side has what purpose. Okay, let me give you a little recap. The human transport system is a system of tubes with a pump, which is basically the heart, and valves to ensure one-way blood flow. Okay, here the valves I already discussed in the previous lecture as well. That valves are the flaps in the tubes that stop the blood from flowing backwards. Okay, so if it does not allow the blood to flow backwards, it will only let it flow in one direction. We need a transport system to deliver oxygen, nutrients, and other substances to all our body cells and take away waste products from them. Okay, you already know this thing. Okay, let's start with the main concept, how it works, how the heart basically works. In this diagram, you can see that there are the two sides. One is the red in color and the other one is greenish in color. The red one basically shows that it is oxygenated blood, means that the oxygen has entered the blood. Now it first moves to the left side of the heart through the pulmonary vein, which you can see here, and from the lungs it moves to the heart on the left side, this side, on the left side. And the left side, now what this does is it is made up of, the whole heart is made up of muscles, so it will contract. When it will squeeze, it will push the blood. As you can see, the arrows are pointing. This is towards the body. Towards the body means all of the organs and tissues and cells which our body has, the blood will go to the whole body cells where it will get the nutrients. Okay, after receiving all the nutrients, now the blood has to move back to the heart, because now it has all the oxygen has been used by the body and the waste products have been added into the blood through respiration. Okay, now the blood will move towards the heart, as you can see, on the right side, and the right side again will pump the blood towards the lungs. Here you can see they have also mentioned the pressure as well. So they are showing that how much force is used to push the blood around these areas. So there's high pressure when the heart is pumping blood towards the body because it has to reach each and every cell, and there's low blood pressure when it returns to the heart. Then again, it has to be high blood pressure when it goes to the lungs to get the oxygen, and after getting the oxygen, again, it is not that uh, full pressure, so it has low pressure, which will be gone into the left side of the heart. So you need to always remember that oxygenated blood is on the left side of the heart, and the deoxygenated blood, which does not have oxygen, will be on the right side. So I have also mentioned here, in this paragraph, you can see all of this information, and they have also included the name of the arteries, like aorta, which takes the blood towards the body. Here it is also mentioned, but it's a little smaller, but you can see it clearly. So I would need you to copy this information in your notebook so you can learn this, and also draw this diagram as well. It's really, really important. Just like the diagram of the heart, which I give you as homework. So this should also be drawn, but this is the classwork. Okay, moving on to the next part of the video. Here. Now again they have told you that what the color of the blood is indicating. Oxygenated blood has a red color, high oxygen, low carbon dioxide, because it just has came from the lungs, so it has given out the carbon dioxide and taken in the oxygen. Okay, the very important thing which need to be understood is this term double circulation. Okay, why it our heart is said to have double circulation? Why our body has double circulation? So it is because the blood passes through the heart twice, that makes it double. Because first it has to come to the left and then the right, so it is double. Both of the chambers are half. The heart is divided into four chambers, but it is divided into half, right and left. So double. The double word is used to denote that the blood comes twice in the heart. Okay, here is the lecture which will be covering in the next video, blood vessels. I would want you to see a video or any informative text regarding blood vessels which we'll be covering in the next chapter, in the next lecture. So I hope that you learn a lot of information in this lecture, and if you have any questions, always there's a group. You can mention your questions in the group and I can make a video on it. So best of luck. Thank you.